Now I'm out of breath and I'm hot and I'm sweating. Woo! Hey, it's Rakuten K. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a mid-size Levi's try-on haul. I'm so nervous to do this video, like you have no idea, because honestly Levi's has no stretch in their denim, and as a curvy girl, you know that we need our stretch. So with that being said, I sized up quite a bit, maybe like 2 sizes, just to make sure that everything fit. Maybe not in the waist, but at least in the thighs, and if anything, I can get stuff taken in. So yeah, today we're gonna be trying on some jeans and some shorts. So just keep on watching. All right, so this is the first pair of shorts that I got. These are a size 33. I'm not sure what the actual, like what size to compare it to. I'll leave all the conversions down below, but I do normally buy a size 31, sometimes a 30, sometimes a 29, just depending on if the jeans have any stretch in them or not. But these, like I said, are a size 33, and I will say that they fit in the thighs. So these are the 501 high-rise denim shorts. They are high-rise. They're black. They have quite a bit of distressing on them. They honestly feel really nice. Like, they're not super tight around the waist, and I could like get them taken in quite a bit. But as far as like how long they are, I feel like the cut is really nice and they're a pretty good length. Turn around so you can see. But yeah, pretty comfy jean. I feel like they feel like they're structured, but not too structured, like to where they're uncomfortable, but I feel like they're structured enough to, like, when you're walking, you don't have to worry about them like hiking up your inner thighs. So I feel like they're pretty flattering. I would want them to be taken in a little bit, just so it could be just a little bit more fitted and flattering, but honestly these are pretty comfy, I will say. So these are the 501s, high rise. They are high rise on me. I'm 5'8" for reference. Really like them. I like the minimum distressing. I'm sure like once you wash them and stuff, they'll get a bit more distressed. And even if I were to lose weight, I feel like they would still be flattering because they would be a little bit less fitted on the thigh, which could be a good thing. So I'm looking in the mirror if you're wondering. But yeah, I really like these jeans. I can see myself wearing them. I honestly don't wear shorts anymore because I just don't feel confident in them, and I'm a little bit, yeah, self-conscious when I wear them. So, but I could see myself wearing these, and maybe like with like something to cover a little bit more. But yeah, I like them. So I'll be sure to leave in the description bar like what the largest size is that these come in, but really nice pair of shorts. Okay, so these are definitely a keep. Like, these are so my vibe. Okay, so these are super high-waisted, I will say. I'm gonna start off with that. Another pro is that they just like suck you in at the waist, but around the thigh they have a little bit more give. I will say, when I was pulling up these jeans, I wasn't like struggling trying to pull them up like I kind of was with those denim shorts. These have a zip closure, which I like better than the buttons, because I feel like the buttons can be more like restrictive and they can kind of pull. Like, you may have a food baby and then the buttons are like like this and showing and pulling. So I do like a zip closure versus a button closure going up here. But these are a size 32, and they have there's 29 inseam, and I just feel like they hit at the ankle at the perfect spot. They would be so cute with some boots for the fall. Like, I am just in love. Let me turn around and show you the back. And I like how it's like got this seam right here that kind of, is it right here? It's right here. It tapers down. and so it makes your butt look more round than it is, and then the pockets are like slanted, so it just makes your butt look a little bit better. But I just feel so slim in these because they're just like elongating my legs even more, and the leg is kind of giving me like a little bit of a wide leg, but not too much. I mean, I guess it is straight, but this is more of a like, I feel like this is more of a casual jean. Like this wash is just like a throw on some sandals weekend jean. This isn't like a night out kind of jean in my opinion, but I just feel like it will look so good with sneakers, and I just love the way that it's hitting at the bottom. It's so cute. They are so cute. I don't want to take them off, but this haul is starting off good. But isn't it crazy how those are a size 33 and they were so tight in the waist, and or I mean on the thighs, and then these are a 32 and they're not like that at all? Isn't that weird? So yeah, that just goes to show that these jeans aren't like consistent, and like the sizing is just not consistent at all. But I love these. These are a definite keep. Like I feel so comfortable in these. Like I feel like I look good in these. So these are the Ribcage Ankle straight jeans. And these, when I pulled them up, they again has that button closure, but it isn't too bad on these because these have stretch. But boy, are these high-waisted. Like what? To the bra strap, like what? I love that. I actually love that. So again, I would need to get them taken in just a little bit in the back. We have like a little bit of gapping in the back. Like I said, these did have stretch in them. They are an ankle jean. I'm not really a fan of the ankle jean because on me, they don't hit on the ankle, they hit at the calf, and they look like capris. And so when I try to wear my like little booty boots and stuff like that, there's like a gap between the jean and my leg, and I just don't like that look on me. But other than that, the jeans are really nice, and I wasn't really expecting them to have any stretch, but these do, and they feel very comfortable. I like these jeans. I'm not in love with them like I was with the high-waisted straight jeans I just tried on, but I do really like these jeans. I just wish they were like a little bit longer. It's not giving me like the vintage Levi feel, just because it has like this lighter wash, and you can kind of see like the ripples in it where they kind of like bleached it just a little bit. And I mean, even though they're stretchy, I could have gone down a size, just because there's like a lot of room in here, you know? And you know how like when you wear a pair of jeans, like when you first put them on, they're like super tight and they're like fitting how you want to, and then as you go on through the day, they just get a little bit juicier, you know, and they get looser and like baggy, and it's just not as cute as it was. So I definitely could go down a size. Like I said, these do have stretch in it, so I definitely could have went for a 30, 31, but I didn't know, girl. But yeah, let's hop on to the next one. Okay, so next we have another pair of the 501 denim shorts, and these are in the size 34, and I really like these. I really like the color. It's like screaming summer. The distressing on them is pretty similar to the other ones, but I really like it. I kind of like how it like has a little bit more coverage on the inner thigh. You know how you have like that little inner thigh jelly right there, and then you obviously want it to dip down a little bit more in the back, but again, it has that lining right here in like a V shape that really looks nice on the booty. Obviously, you know, there's some gapping back here like all the other ones, but I really feel like these are really, really, really cute. Really comfortable, honestly, and I just feel like they would get even cuter as, you know, as you wash them, and they'll soften up and stuff like that. So really love these. So these are the Ribcage straight ankle jeans again, but in a lighter wash. And same size, same length and all of that, same, you know, button closure. Of course, they're the same jeans for Goya, but I like these better. I don't know, I maybe just like a light wash kind of girl. I'm not sure what it is. I feel like it's showing like super blue on the camera, and I hope I'm not too far away and it looks like awkward and stuff, but I like this one better for some reason. I feel like they do. I feel like they're sucking me in a little bit differently than the other ones, and I feel like I like this wash better than I did the other, but I still don't like where they're hitting me at on my calf, giving me very much capri pants, but just you let me know what you think about them. And then it's kind of like gathering here around my fat calves because they're just thick and voluptuous, and yeah, jeans just like tend to like bunch up right there, especially in that crease. So I don't like that, and it feels kind of tight around the knees, but like this whole top situation, I'm feeling like very sucked in, very snatched, and I'm feeling like it looks so good, but it may just be the wash of the jeans. I'm not sure, but like I said, it's the same exact style and size, but this is just what they look like. Maybe because you can't really tell that it has that like bleached effect right here because it is a lighter wash. Yeah. Okay, so I thought I had 2 more pairs of jeans to show you, but I just tried to put on those infamous wedgie straight jeans and they would not get up past my knee. Let me show you. So I really wanted these to work out for me. I swear I did. I really wanted to see like what all the hype was about these jeans. These were like the ones that I just wanted to work out for me, and they did not. So I got these in a size 32, and it even says on the tag, snug through hip and thigh, tapered leg. And like I said, I got juicy calves, just like I have juicy legs. So it would not get, like it was struggling to pull up my, to even go up my calves. Like you can't even make it past my calf? Like really? That's too thick for you? But yeah, and then they're really cute, like distressing on them, which is really nice. And I had like a nice little cutout right here by the pocket. I just knew they were gonna be so cute. But yeah, I needed to size up with these because they were not it. And I'm trying to see like what the inseam is on these, because I'm wondering if they even would have been long enough. Yeah, it looks like they, well actually no, it looks like they wouldn't have been long enough, so I'm not that sad about it. But oddly enough, I have on these right now, and these are the high-waisted straight jeans. So just like the other ones that I tried on, but these ones have some distressing on the knee areas. And these are a size 32. Same size as the wedgies. Got them up nicely. Maybe it's the tapered leg. It has to be the tapered leg that set them apart when it comes to the sizing, that I honestly couldn't get them up. But these just feel so much looser than the first pair that I tried on without the distressing. So that just goes to show you, like y'all just like randomly just say, okay, this is gonna be this size and this is gonna be this size. Like, still don't know what size I wear in Levi's, but I really love like how oversized these look. They may not look that much baggy on camera, and they may look like they actually fit and they're supposed to be this way, but they do give me like a nice boyfriend chill type vibe, which I love. I don't really like stuff to be super tight anymore. I like for like my tops and stuff to be a little bit more form-fitting, and then my bottoms to be just like a little bit more loose, just to show off my shape. I think it looks better on my shape versus wearing a tight top and a tight bottom and feeling stuffed and maybe even looking stuffed. So yeah, I really like these. They're super comfortable. These would be really cute with some pumps, like for night out. Like I feel like you can totally dress these up. These are like, these jeans will probably be like my favorite ones because of the distressing and the relaxed look of them, and it just like gives you like that effortless vibe to them, and this is just like a throw on, like everyday kind of jean. So I'm really leaning towards the Levi's straight high-rise jeans. Like, I will say, out of all the jeans that I tried today, those are my favorite. And I'm out of breath and I'm hot and I'm sweating. Woo! But yeah, that's my favorite. I'm gonna try on my overalls, which I'm really excited for, and I'm really hoping that they fit. So yeah, let's get the overalls on. Okay, we got the overalls on. Yeah. I feel so like country in these, but they're cute. So I got these in an extra large, and maybe I could have gotten them in a large, but I just didn't know if they were gonna be like the oversized type feel, but I knew I definitely wanted mine to be oversized. But honestly, these are comfortable. These are so comfortable. I love them. Like, I can see myself like wearing these like honestly every weekend, doing my little DIYs, going thrifting and all that kind of stuff I like to do on the weekend. I'll turn around and show you the back. So yeah, it has distressing on the knees, and they're really nice length. Yeah, I like these. I love the wash of them. Just giving me like real 90s vibes, like chill vibes. And I would honestly just wear it just like I have it right now, with like a nice little white tee and maybe some slippers, maybe even some cute little platform shoes. Or if I would have got a large, I feel like it would have, you know, been a little bit too tight in the thighs, because that's just like where I hold a lot of my weight, is in my thighs and my hips. So yes, that is it for this vlog. I hope you found it helpful and useful. If you've been kind of like on the fence with thinking about purchasing from Levi's and like investing in a pair of Levi jeans, I suggest you check them out. Check out some different styles, like go to the store and try some on just so you can get a feel, or even order a few online like I did and try on at home, because girl, it can be a lot. It can be a lot trying on all these clothes. But yeah, try on a few at home and see what like styles fit you best. If you're shaped more like me, like I said, my favorite were the high-rise straight jean. So I'm gonna go look and see like what other washes they have in that style, because I really like that style. I believe that style was $69.50, but I am going to link everything down below if you're interested. They will be affiliate links, so I will get like a small commission if you do purchase anything off the website. So that's just like an FYI. I'll leave all the names down below. That's cool too. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.